Hey guys, so basically I made a exercise program. I made it with Kerbalcat, and this is basically just part one of that. We're gonna keep doing so much more. And with Rebel's new drawing feature, we brought out the plan. So basically, this is how the program's gonna work. There's gonna be a profile. It's gonna calculate how many calories you burn, and so much more. And in part one, we're just calculating how many points you got and what level you are. Here's the program. So basically, a very brief explanation is that here are all the exercises. We're only using 3 of them for now. And then you can enter how many of each exercise you did, and it calculates the points from that session, and then it calculates your level. So, let's try the program. Okay, so how many push-ups would you like to do? Let's say 12, and then let's pretend I did 12 push-ups. Okay, those are push-ups. That's weird. And then let's say we did 17 sit-ups because they're a bit easier, and then 5 burpees because they're quite a bit harder. And then since some exercises are harder than others, they might give you more points. And as you can see, we got 25.5 points from that session, and we're at level 2. And then just to prove that the level system actually works, let's say you do 99 push-ups, 1,000 sit-ups, and 67 burpees. Then you'd get to level 66. And of course, if you don't close the tab, we're gonna make it so you can add there's gonna be a while loop, so then you can keep doing exercises over and over again, so you don't have to restart every time. So let's actually add that now. So let's say while true, so that's just forever, while true, and then to indent all this, we can do control plus closing bracket. There we go. So now let's try running this program. Let's say we did 50 push-ups, 60 sit-ups, and 40 burpees. And then this should have, and then it prints our points from that session and also our level, and it keeps prompting us. So that's basically all we're gonna do in today's programming session. And as you can see here, here's what we're gonna do in each part. So definitely don't miss the achievements and calories burned and the profile, because that's going to show everyone's statistics, and that's going to be really cool. Also, make sure to subscribe if you enjoy this content so that it motivates me and Kerbalcat to keep making videos like this, and also like this video if you like this one in particular. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.